Bonjour, hello, welcome to MaxMountainWorld, another video. This is the second weekend of September and it's the last opening for mountain biking in Les-Orres, but it's only at 1650, 1800 there's no bikes or anything up there. So quite a lot going on today. It's the closing the doors event and a lot happening. So we're going to have a little look, just walked down with my friend here and a dog, and yeah, a lot of bikes. It seems very busy. So let's go and have a look and see what's happening. Today is Saturday. It's the same for Sunday, but I've got other stuff to do tomorrow. So today's the main day, along with whatever happens this evening, concerts and stuff. Always on the lookout for copyright music stuff. So here's the video. We're pretty busy. A lot of bikes around, as I say. Nice little leap there. And they've got one of the jump bags here as well. So watch this guy in the green here. Top part of the mountain isn't open, pushed down. They're felling a lot of trees up there and there's safety issues if they did open. So a lot down here. So this is open for the Prolonged lift that's running here, and it's busy too, as well as the Peak Vert with all the forest stuff over the side there. So yeah, a lot, even the little ones. There's a load of the runs from the Prolonged side that come down and they all merge into this final run back down. Now, one of the red runs off the top here is actually on a timer system today. So this guy's going past with the number plate on the front. Now these number plates have the electronic connection to the timing system. So none of these are part of the game, no. But still pretty busy. So here's a couple. There's number 1 and number 2. Hey! Yo! So we are with dog, Yuki. Bonjour. And one of Yuki's pals, but Yuki doesn't seem interested with a dog the size of a rat. We've got quite a collection of guys here, and I've seen a couple of them. This guy in the green pants has done some pretty spectacular jumps on this jump bag. So I'll catch a few of the stunts. I'll see if I can catch him. He's already done a pretty spectacular couple of jumps that I caught, but I didn't catch off cam. Well, I didn't catch on cam, I caught it off cam. Hey! Hi, buddy, what's up? How are you doing there, buddy? I see your 2 jumps here, fantastic. Exactly. Nice one. Nice one. Oh, always good, always good. So this is the jump setup here, with a little ramp on the bottom for starters, and then that's a serious ramp on the right there. So see if we can catch some stunts. Here comes number 77. Nice. Now the guy in the green pants, yeah, I do know him, obviously, but he's starting away up behind everyone else. He's going to be hitting it faster. Here we go. What was that? And of course after the walk back up. So should have another one going in a wee minute here. So as I say, kind of busy today, very busy today. So I'll come back to the jump later and we'll see what's going on down here. Maybe pick up a little apple juice as it's now approaching lunchtime, 12 o'clock. So this weekend the carts are running and the Tyrolean looks like the zip wire's running too. I don't know, I've not seen anyone on it, but no, it's closed. Yeah, a lot of music, I've got to talk over it, but that's the details for today.
Ah là 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 là,
So,
magnifique. Vous avez
the turbo dancing guys are here. They've not got the Cadillac pool, but they've got the front lights of it. And this is all run from the trailer that runs behind the Jeep.
Voilà, parti trop vite, là, Amy Winehouse, mais voilà, c'était vraiment magnifique. Et puis, je vous ai déjà mis un peu tout à l'heure là ce petit album que j'aime beaucoup, donc de CD Watch Show,
Ça
la
va?
Pagny Sound System. Salut, bonsoir.
Bonsoir, bonjour.
Dancing, tout va bien, tout va bien.
So they cater for all the family, including, look at the size of that. Compare the size of that to my foot. Dogs, dogs, dogs. Lots of people, more dogs. So a lot of bikes about. The spot, yeah, very busy, and a lot of bikes about. And it's been raining quite lightly, but enough to really muddy up a load of bikes and stuff. There's the competition ones, or don't know if it's a competition, it's just a timed run, a red run. And yeah, a lot of other tents coming up and stuff. So we'll hover around and see what's happening. So rain has put a bit of a dampener on things. Still folk about, there's still folk up in the mountain biking, but it'll be getting muddy and stuff over towards Lopion. It looks like there's more coming. It's pretty hazy up there. So time to have more apple juices and watch the dogs. Hello. Yuki. Hey. 3 o'clock in the afternoon. That put a bit of a dampener on things, but the rain has stopped and it's supposed to stay stopped. So we're going to head back up to 1800, get some Scooby snacks and come back down for the evening stuff. So I'll put that into the tail out. Okay, thanks again for watching. Still pretty busy after the rains. Yeah, traffic. Move back. Yeah, it's an extreme sport. It has been raining, so things are slippy. Oh! No, false alarm. Not good.